Hi everyone, what's up? Thank you so much for being here. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Jessie, and today's video is going to be my makeup room slash studio tour. So if you guys want to see what my makeup room looks like as well as some of my makeup, then please keep on watching. Please do not expect this to look like Carly Bibles or Jaclyn Hills or Patrick Starr, because my makeup room is really not that big, but I am proud of it because I work really hard to get this all together. So I'm going to start with this corner. Actually, nothing really special. I just want to show you my lights right over here. I think it's pretty cool just so because it's dimmable, and the way that it's designed is like, it reminds me of a spotlight. So you can see that I can dim it right over here, and this is what it looks like. So this is my dream board, and now I have shown this to you guys in the past, and if you guys want to see it, I'll be putting the link down below. And I got this big mirror right over here at Burlington, and it is only $49.50. I want to personally thank Michelle for helping me out, because if it wasn't for her, I'm not going to be able to buy this because it does not fit in our car. So I'm just showing you the details right now. So it is white mixed with gold, perfect for this room. Now this is my old mirror. You guys are pretty much familiar with this, right? So I just decided to put this right over here in the meantime. It is actually a good foot mirror. So I don't know if that makes any sense, but it makes the room look a little bigger. And then there's just a plain Sephora bag right over there. It's just for aesthetics. It doesn't have anything on it. And can we please talk about this? I got this at Q for only $15. And it's rare for me to buy something that is full price. Oh my goodness, I'm that cheap, girl. So it's very rare for me to buy something full price. And I really love this. You know why? Because it's just so beautiful. The camera doesn't give enough justice for, like, if you see this in person, the rhinestones in these slippers is just beautiful. I can't stress that enough. Because, you know, sometimes slippers have rhinestones, but they're not really that sparkly. That one is really sparkly. And this one, I got it at Route 21. Guess how much? $5. I wish I bought more, but no. Because Jondrae was there, so I'm kind of like shy to shop my heart out because I don't want to be like, you know, spending all the time. But it's cheap and it really looks cute, perfect when you go out. I really, 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 really love it. Look at that. I really love it. So this is my sleigh station. On top, you're going to see it says wake up and makeup. I got my furry chair. I got my carpet. The chair, the carpet, I got it at Burlington. My table is gold and it has a glass top. I got it from Hobby Lobby and it's on sale as well. Now, I'm going to replace my furry chair because it's all gunky. So I'm just doing a close-up. In person, this table has a little bit of shimmer on its gold thing, but my light bars, my mirror, I installed that in there. I used a drill bit, and my light bars, I got it at Home Depot, as well as the mirror. The mirror comes along with the clips, so you don't really need to buy them, and I really love it. These little details right over here, the don't give up your dreams, and that Eiffel Tower clock, I got that at Burlington as well as the other frame. The frames are $9 each and the clock is $15. And I'm still going to put a lot of things in there. And this is my trash can. So these are my used brushes. I just use them once because I'm that crazy when it comes to my skin. If you guys do not know, I am a skincare junkie. And underneath this chair are some items that I just recently bought. So I put all of my hauls there. And this is actually a shower curtain. And I cut it in half and put it right over there. And at the top, you'll see that it's ribbons because I didn't know that it does not have any rings. It's so sad that this clothing rack does not fit into the top of my door. this house has a lot of doors, but it just so happens that my door can't fit this, so I just placed it in the middle of my window, so at least it has a little bit of bling in there. I really love this. I think this is such a steal because it's super cute. I think this is around $6 or $7 at Burlington as well. Definitely grab one. It's just so pretty. Now let's talk about these stuffed toys right over here. I usually sit there and chill with the dogs. This is Sparky. He's so disrespectful and I love him so much. And this is Princess. She's such a diva. First time I saw her, I already knew that I would name her Princess because she has an attitude. So this little critter right over here is a dazzled unicorn. I got it at Legoland, and that one is an anniversary gift. And the frog, I won that as well as at Legoland. So yeah, they just chillin', and it's super hot today. I can. And this is also an anniversary gift. I'm actually pretty surprised that Jondrae gave this to me. He knows that I love makeup so much, and he came through. And underneath are my styling tools. I don't have the Irresistible Me styling iron right there because I have it in my living room because that's where I film now. Moving on, this is actually a fruit tray, and I literally bought this for this purpose. Before, I put lip glosses or lip products in this, and now I've decided to put some of my accessories. And if you guys do not know the smell of this one, this is my absolute favorite aside from the Vulgari Classic and just some of my accessories. This one I recently purchased at H&M. I got it half off, but the other ones are regular price, which is weird, so I decided to grab it really quick. One of my prescriptions and another pair of earrings that I recently got from H&M as well. Look at this. Girl, it's so pretty. Seriously, I love accessories. I love big earrings. Statement earrings are my jam. I really love it. Necklaces, you name it. I just really love accessories. And here, I told myself that, you know what? I'm never going to buy this because I find it ugly. And I saw this color combination, gold and pink. And I really thought that, you know what? This is for me. Like literally for me. You can't see this color a lot. I also got it at Burlington, and this tray right over here is my go-to tray. So meaning I just pick that up and put it on a table and get ready for the day. And these are all lip products. I don't know what to do with it, but definitely I'll be decluttering them because I don't want them to, you know, I guess I'm not just like a lip person. And in this bunker, there's just a lot of extra items that I haven't used yet. And this is just a square shelf, and you guys know that I kind of undid it again. I just realized that I want all of my stuff displayed because I appreciate it when I see all of my hard work. So let's move in right over here. This is from Hobby Lobby. This is supposed to go in the restroom, but now I'm just gonna leave it right over there because it kind of matches the theme of the room. And these are all prescriptions. The first three is from Zenni Optical. And then this one is from Firmu. So I have this big clamshell right over here. I have been eyeing this stuff for a really long time. It's around $19 something from Burlington. And I put my seashell necklace, or I call it mermaid necklace, here, and just to make it all look cute. And then after work I just put some of my used earrings there and then just put it back on the tray when I have my free time, because sometimes when you're from work you're just exhausted and you don't want to do shit. And this is a mirror that we got from Costco, and I really love this candle. And the candle, it would remind you of the sea foam mist. It's something that is not too strong, which I absolutely love. It just smells like clean, salty sea air. It's just nice. So these are all of the Too Faced palettes. And then a bowl from Burlington again. Some Real Techniques brushes. Now these details really add up to the whole, you know, aesthetic. And then at that Hollywood sign, I got the Anastasia palettes. And then I really intentionally put all of the gold palettes and stack it like that. So when Jondrae took me home for the very first time, he gave me this dog stuffed toy. And then when he did something stupid, he gave me this stuffed toy. And then this is a really nice gold bin, and of course the reason why I bought it is because it's really cute and it's gold. And inside, let me just get this, are my prestige lip products, more of like my favorites, the expensive ones. And then this is my Kat Von D, I think that was like Christmas edition or something. And then more palettes, prestige palettes, some Morphe stuff, and this is also limited edition from Too Faced. And then more palettes right over there. And I'm a little sad and depressed about these boots because they are so pretty. I want to wear them, but when I was rushing, I accidentally picked the wrong size. It was a size 7, but you know what? I can always use like a bigger socks, so it's going to be used in the winter time. But either way, I love them and I will definitely use them because I just really love it. So you guys are probably already familiar on this part of the room because I always post it on my Insta stories. I have some of my bags over there, and look at this detail. I intentionally bought that because I already knew that I want something that when you look at the tiny details, it's still mermaidy and elegant and classy, and I just really love something that's beautiful. I'm telling you, every time I wake up in the morning, I open this room and, I get more inspired to work harder. And this is from MAC. This is their Christmas limited edition collection, and I'm so happy that I bought it. Definitely such a good collection from MAC in my opinion. Let me just move that real quick. There you go. It's still uneven. Oh. And these three are from MAC as well. I am actually too cheap to buy them, but you know what? When they put it on sale, we don't have it in stock, and all of these are returns, and I grabbed it and now it's mine. So of course, Allure lashes. The rest of my brushes, half of it is being washed right now. And more lashes because you guys know that I am a lash dude. And then, of course, I still have my shells right over here. Some palettes that I have used and some of them that I haven't really touched in a long time. And then my Patrick Star collection. I just had to buy both because it's a good deal and it's beautiful. And then these are my foundations and primers and setting sprays. Setting powders, I know, it's crazy. Beauty blenders. And then some palettes that I have not used. This is actually a bin that I put my stuff that I haven't reviewed and more palettes. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Yes. So that is pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's funny because years ago, I couldn't even buy a single naked palette just because of the currency is very different. If you live in a different country, it's going to be, everything that is from America is going to be very expensive. But now, it's just amazing. I feel blessed. My collection is not really that big, but to me, this is, this is a dream come true. So I'll still be continuing to work hard to achieve my dreams for me, for Jondrae, and for my family, and for my friends. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. And subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more. Again, I feel very blessed having you guys watching my videos every day. And thank you for being an inspiration to me as well. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!